All right, first challenge of the day. This road is tighter than it looks. Okay, steady now. Easy, easy. Another challenge cleared.